Good morning. So today we bought another truck. Bought a truck from a scammer, so it's pretty gnarly. I had actually bought the truck for $1,000, and here it is. A little beat on. So I bought it. In the ad, they were telling me that, well, the ad was stating that the engine is rebuilt, transmission's rebuilt. This bed is just toast. The cab is gone. It says to punish and save on the back window. I don't know, man. There's that whole side of the bed there. This bumper here is that's my doing. I did that. But so this truck, they said all this was rebuilt and all this was done, and you know, you don't put that kind of money into a truck that looks like that. If you do, you're not that smart. It's a V10 engine, but I've got some plans with it. So let's get into this truck here. This truck is actually a pretty cool one that I really like. Let's get this fired up. A nice cold start. Wipers won't move, bud. So yeah, I got plans, because obviously that truck's a little bit messed up. So what I was thinking is pull the engine and trans out of that truck, because the transmission is good. It shifts a little weird. So he was telling me, see this one, doesn't want to at all. Oh, I forgot that truck was there. Let's hit it. So that black truck there, it goes in and out of gear. Not in and out of gear. This one goes in and out of gear. The black truck, you need to lift off the throttle to shift. You shouldn't have to do that. So I'll have to, man, this truck is wild. I'll have to pull that transmission apart and see what's going on with it to know. You see this one? Spinning. There we go. A little action there, huh, bud? Okay, so I got a fire pit here. Spin around. I can't. So check out this windshield. Can't see shit. I'm actually using the screen on the camera to other truck, but I know I just fit through here. So we'll back on up here. There we go. Sounds good. Does sound good. All right. Turn it off. It's cold. You shouldn't be driving it like that. Take the key out. So now I got them together. The color on this truck is actually a pearl. I'm not sure if the camera could pick it up. It's a pretty rare color. It's not just regular silver. I don't like that. Probably get that fixed. But my plans is to take the 35s off of this truck here, the 35 12.5s, put them on that truck and lift that, put the lift from this truck. This one's got a, I think, a 6-inch lift on it. I think, no, it's like a 4, whatever the hell it is. Whatever that one's got. On this truck, I'm taking the body off of and pulling the engine and trans. This one actually runs really good. It is not rebuilt, but it does run good. I'll show you the engine here. Maybe. All right. So now he's saying rebuilt. I have never rebuilt an engine and put it in dirty. That thing is filthy. He says it's got like 10,000 miles on it, some stupid low number. Whatever, I digress. So yeah, pull the this one's got a D60 and a D70, Dana 70 out back, and these half tons have a 44 up front. There's another one there, another one there, 3rd gen, whatever. This one's 2-wheel drive, pretty cool. So these half tons have a Spicer 925 in the back, and they seem to kind of self-detonate, but I hope this one's fine, because it actually is fine, because I've actually been driving that truck. I do like it. I really like the short wheelbase of it, and you can see here I got them pretty much, all of these trucks pretty much lined up. So you can see here, like this one, the black trucks are good, foot and a half longer than my truck. This one's my truck. I'm always going to refer to this one as my truck, or Walker, like a Walker Texas Ranger. And that one there, okay, that one, you can see just the wheelbase is pretty gnarly. You know, it's obviously shorter, of course, but there's 3.5 feet easy. So yeah, I bought this truck from a scammer. They had told the other people were interested in the truck, because they're saying, it's in the ad, that it was a rebuilt engine, rebuilt trans, this and that, yada yada yada. They had it up for 4,500 bucks for a couple weeks, and then brought it down to 3,500. And I was like, well, I'll give you 1,000. I see that you need money. I like to buy cars from people that are hard up a little bit. It's like, yeah, I'm using them, but yeah, like, they need the money. So I'd rather buy it from them, give them their money, they can pay their bills before someone else, you know. So that's where I'm at on that. But so I was getting messages because I posted that truck up for sale, or not for sale, but the body. I posted the body up for free. Come get any body panels you want, get that shit off that truck for free, because I know what I want. It's worth $1,000 to me. So people were like hitting me up and they're like, yeah, they're like, yo bro, fucking she's telling everyone that you paid $4,500 for it. What'd you pay? I was like, fuck, I paid $1,000, and you know, it was a scam. Or they were lying about what was done to it. So that's kind of another reason too. Like $1,000 isn't gonna kill me, and $4,500 would put me down in the hole, you know. And the couple of people that bought it from me wanted to pay $4,500 for that truck because well, under the premises of it being a rebuilt truck, you know. So it's kind of sad, and it kind of sucks for me because, you know, this is just, it's shitty, man. It's a shitty time in the world, and there's no need to be scamming people and burning people and whatnot. So yeah, I messaged the lady and I was like, there's no fucking way this engine or trans is rebuilt. She's like, she hasn't messaged me back, but I knew that when I bought it. I just if I can save someone from getting burnt, then I will, you know. I'm known in my area for having these trucks. Anyone with these trucks or deals with these trucks knows me for having them. I'm part of the market here. You can see I've got, let's see, my windshield's ugly, but I got 3 there. I got 1 there, 1 red one there. I got 2 3rd gens. I've got 2nd gen back there in parts, you know. So I'm known in my area as someone that does this stuff, and I'm known for good deals and shit like that, because man, these are just shitty trucks, man. I haven't paid over $1,000 for any of them. So they're not shitty trucks, they're actually awesome trucks, but they're just whatever. I'm rambling. See you on the next one, guys. Probably get in the V10 and let it rip. Actually, it's supposed to snow a lot. I want to get the V10 and my truck going together out there. Maybe a little tug-of-war action. Last time I had a tug-of-war, I broke the front diff and rear diff and both drive shafts all at the same time in my truck because I slammed 2nd gear. So yeah, that's right, 5.9 1500 with a manual transmission. Let's get you on the next one. All right, guys, thanks for watching.